mode or switch off. Especially students, we kindly request you not to hoot or howl.
పరిపాలన కువరం నీ వల్లే ఈ రాష్ట్రపు సంక్షేమం సత్యం నిత్యం సఫలం జనగణ మంగళ గాయకుడా ఘనమగు చరితల నాయకుడా పలుతరములు మము పరిపాలించర స్వామికుడా నవయుగ మేధో సైనికుడా సమయము తెలియని సేవకుడా యువన వ్యాంధ్రకు ప్రగతిని చూపర సాధకుడా వైతాళికుడా ప్రతి ఇల్లు స్వాగతం అంటోంది ప్రతి మనసు నువ్వే కావాలంటోంది పెద్ద కొడుకు నీవై
partnership with IBS Global, and their CEO is present here. CEO.
Hello. Hello, Namaskar. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you so much.
Good.
It's an honor to meet you.
Thank
sir.
you. Very nice of you to see you here.
Thank you for having this opportunity.
Thank you. Very nice.
Sir is TCS head from Hyderabad, sir. Chandrababu.
నమస్తే సార్
Namaskar.
థ్యాంక్ యూ
Thank you, brother.
మురళీ నాయుడు సార్ మురళీ బుగ్గపట్నం చాలాసార్లు కలిసాము
अच्छा अच्छा
వాషింగ్టన్ డీసీ 1999 నుంచి మీతో పాటు చాలా ట్రావెల్ చేశాను హిందూపూర్ నేటివ్
Thank you.
నవ్ ఐఎమ్ ది చైర్మన్ ఫర్ టై గ్లోబల్ సార్
Thank you. Tai.
యా టై కన్వల్ రేగి అండ్ ఆల్ ద సార్ మీ గురించి చాలా
Okay. Excellent. Very, very happy. Please come.
యా
These are all our sustainable Andhra.
Sir.
Brief.
Yes, sir. So
Okay.
we are working on this precision agriculture. So we have developed our own algorithm on the that is the disease detection, sir. So we are flying the drone over the field and where the diseases are affected. So we are just getting this feed here, and we are just sending this. A small drone is a surveillance, is a bigger drone we are sending. So after that, sir, we have one actually. This patented technology we have adopted, which is for these are spraying these are seeds as well as the liquid also. So that also we are spraying through that. Even if that, sir, we have developed another that is a power grid monitoring system also through drone. So here you can see, sir, that in our campus we have done. So any defected or maybe no, that is the defected components over there. So we are just monitoring over this from the drone, and we are getting the video feed on that. So
No, what are all the use case?
use case that, sir, actually with the if you fly in the drone, these are monitoring. There are some poles, bigger poles are there, right? It will fly there where this component defective, because the human can reach to there. It is a long day, so within 5 minutes we can detect it, and in the there is a control room. You can get the video feed directly.
That is only electricity you are
It
talking.
is electricity, sir.
Power sector.
Power side.
Use case.
Use case, sir. Another one, the cloud system also.
No, in power cases, what are all the various defects you can analyze?
That is the insulator defects, and then wire is broken, that defect we have done, and this is the height of the pole. In pole is a disalignment, that also we can do. Sir, APEP DCL is a Visakhapatnam, they called us for the demo. So after this we will go there. We are ready with this thermal camera. Even if line is heated, that also we are checking.
You work it out.
Thank you, sir. APDC
Good.
also we are closing.
Thank you. What, brother? What you are doing?
So this is Risu. It's a humanoid robot it's a humanoid robot that we have been working on building it in my university. Everything that it's made of is 3D printed inside the university. So right now it has a lot of features, like it can express emotion, it can differentiate between people that it is talking with, and it has speech to speech, so you can talk to it and it waits for your turn, and then it speaks and you wait for its turn. So if you want, I can give you a little demo right now, and you can just talk into the mic. Would you like to?
And we have our own PQC done. So we have our post-quantum done. We have the algorithm done, and we are the only one after Google to work with that. And we have made our own key right now. So this is it works with security. And right now we are the only one doing in Andhra. And we are
No,
doing
this robo, what is the main purpose you are aiming?
Right now, sir, we want to emulate a lot of the purposes that human intelligence. I feel like human intelligence can be put to use a lot better than repetitive tasks. So whatever these repetitive tasks and unskilled laborers and such are there, it is to slowly push away those jobs to push humans into something which requires their intelligence and their ability to change and adapt to the new environments and such. So right now, what we are trying.
If you do this adaptability, everything, what you are expecting efficiency level of human replacement?
right now we are facing little bit because in the research.
That is what I am asking.
Yes, so right
I
now
am
we are
aware of
facing a lot-
robots, all these things. Where are you today? I want to ask. Okay. It will take some time.
How long? I can just run it.
Yeah, you are.
It's good.
So in that meantime, this is the paper we showed, and you can see we have drafted this paper, and only after Google only we have done it. So this will be next level, since these computers can be hacked and can be used anywhere. So right now you've seen this CPU, it doesn't have hard disk. It's running directly from the Google cloud. So we have deployed everything over there, and even without hard disk, this CPU is running. So now you imagine, next it's a very disruptive technology. Now we can have CPUs running without any hard disk. We can just have the main server.
So here, start talking to it. Hello, Risu. Okay.
We're just waiting for it to talk, but since resources are a little bit high right now.
Maybe return will be okay.
Sure.
What are you doing?
We are converting plastic waste to biomass waste into
Emma?
graphene, sir.
Plastic waste?
ప్లాస్టిక్ వేస్ట్ బయోమాస్ వేస్టేజ్ ఉంటుంది కదా సార్, దాని నుంచి గ్రఫీన్ అనే నానో మెటీరియల్ని మేము సింథసైజ్ చేస్తున్నాం సార్. సో ఆ నానో మెటీరియల్ వచ్చేసి మనకి